Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, my people in which part of the world you know there. Me don't want to show off, you know. But Lord, me have to show off a little bit for uno. Uno look at my people. Uno remember baby yam, yellow yam, not to mention my favorite plantings, and then the jackfruit. And let me wait for a minute for talking about the banana. And the Irish potatoes. My granny would have said Irish potato. Then me have the ackee them over here. So hacky. When me have go pick later. And then me have some foreigners say bok choy. In a Jamaica we say pop chow. I want to look how a piece of pumpkin look good. Ready for some nice soup, you know. Even though me not like soup. And then over here so we have some chocho. Yeah, and them things they are foreign deer, you know. Talk it true. Then deer man. And over here so now we have the sweet potato ready to make one little pudding. Then we have the sugar cane. Look for me nice lovely carrot them. Hey. That one is shape. Oh, that one is shape kind of weird, but anyways, you're gonna name it later. And not to mention the lettuce, they're pretty. And look here, they have my little green pepper them. Yes, man. Hey. And then I have two little grapefruit over here. So, but back to the foreign banana them. I could talk about banana foreign. You don't know when we cook the banana them up there and left them in a pot or they tough. Yes, them your banana when you left them till 2 days, they still soft like a porridge. So my people, when I tell you say them are the real organic thing, you know, the real organic thing. Drop a line below and tell me, I want to one from this. One other take from this right now if you don't have the opportunity. As always, Mama Selva have a beautiful morning, afternoon, evening, and night. And in which part of the world you know there?